Let me show you how to design a poster in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 21 by 29.7 centimeters. Set the resolution to 200 and then press Create. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. I'm going to choose this dark gray color. When you finish, press OK. Now choose the Type tool, and let's write our text. This is the font that I'm using. Press Ctrl-T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. All the fonts are available through the link in the description below. I'm using this light gray color for the text. Follow these settings. I'm using the Dharma Gothic Extra Bold Italic font. We'll use the same font, just smaller this time. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. Select the Type tool, and let's write another text. Press Ctrl-T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. When you finish, press Enter. Hold Shift and select all of these layers. Let's group them. Rename the group as you like. Right-click here, and let's choose a color for this group. Now, press Ctrl-T, right-click, and choose Skew. Follow along with these steps. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Again, choose the Type tool and let's write our text. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Choose the Rectangle tool and let's draw a rectangle. Change the fill color to red. And no stroke color. Drag the rectangle layer underneath the text layer. Let's change the color to a darker red. Hold Shift, select both layers, and click this icon to link them. Press Ctrl-T. Follow along these steps. Drag this text group layer underneath the rectangle layer. Now choose the rectangle layer and let's add a drop shadow. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Drag this layer on top of the layers. Let's adjust these text layers' position. Move them down slightly, then scale them while holding Shift. Follow these steps. Now select this text layer and duplicate it like this. Drag it to the top, then choose the Type tool and replace the text. Press Ctrl-T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. Change the font style to regular italic. Follow along these steps. Now choose the image layer, and let's add a drop shadow to it. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Choose this layer. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Let's add a red color underneath this text. Follow this process. Create a new layer. Let's change the foreground color to match the red color of this rectangle. Choose the brush tool. Set the opacity to 100 and reduce the flow. Choose the soft round brush. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. Let's undo this and move the empty layer underneath the text. Last step. Choose the background layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Grain. Follow this process. We've added this grain effect as you can see here. That's it. Hope you liked it. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.